Hello kids! Today we have a fun experiment for you. We're going to change the color of rice to purple and then back to white. Wow, how cool. We have rice, radish, and iodine. Iodine has a nice orange color, but watch what happens when we add it to the carbohydrate inside of rice. You can see a purple color.
Science.
Let's add radish, which contains the enzyme amylase. Watch what happens to the color purple.
Technology. Engineering.
When you add salt to the water, it makes the temperature it takes to freeze the water much lower. And then, after you add salt, the ice will stick to the rope. And that's it for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. See ya. Goodbye.